Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Binging, the show where I try different vegan food items and let you know if they're worth binging on. I'm Desiree, and today I'm going to be trying cereals made out of beans. That's right, you heard me. Cereals made out of beans. So during one of my trips to the supermarket, I discovered this brand of cereal made out of beans. And it's a combination of 3 beans: navy beans, lentils, and garbanzos. So I thought, why not give it a try? I mean, they're high in fiber, and that's what cereals are supposed to have. So I decided to get a few different flavors and try them out. All the cereals I'm trying are from a company called Love Grown. This is totally not sponsored by them. I bought all of these cereals to try myself. Looks like your typical cereal, like a Cheerio, just it looks actually a little lighter. It doesn't look as dense. Let me try it dry first. I usually like to eat my cereal dry because I don't like soggy cereal. This absolutely has no sugar in it. It says unsweetened, but sometimes they still have a little bit of sugar. According to the box, there's just 1 gram of sugar. I'm gonna try it with milk. Let me see, with milk. The milk gives it a little bit of flavor, but it's still, there's absolutely no flavor in this. It's your typical plain cereal, unsweetened. So if you like sweet cereal, you're gonna have to add a little bit of sugar or something to it. There's no high fructose corn syrup. I'm telling you, there's absolutely nothing sweet in this cereal. Looks like it could get soggy really quick, and that's what I don't like about cereal with milk, is that it'll get soggy if you put too much milk in it. The only thing I usually add to my cereal is bananas, so I would definitely recommend adding some bananas to this because it'll add some of the sweetness if you're used to sweet cereals. I normally don't eat chocolate flavored cereals, but I'm willing to try this one out. This one is actually sweetened, so hopefully there's a little bit more flavor to this one than the plain one. Looks like your typical chocolate cereal. I mean, I can smell the chocolate. Actually, this one's a lot better than the plain one. There's a chocolate flavor, but it's not like a heavy chocolate flavor, but it's nice. It's sweeter than the plain one, but it's not an overpowering sweetness. It's pretty much perfect the way it is. I'm gonna try it with the milk. Maybe I'll turn my milk to a chocolate milk, like other chocolate cereals. This is so much better. This is really good. Maybe I should eat chocolate cereal from now on. I like it with the milk better than dry. Definitely, if you like chocolate cereal, this is a good one. I really like it. And it's starting to turn the milk into chocolate milk. You get both your chocolate cereal and chocolate milk in one sitting. So this looks like your typical cinnamon covered cereal. All of these cereals are really light. Like usually the other cereals have a little bit more weight to it. Like this, you could almost kind of see through it. So it's very airy. So I'm wondering, I mean, if you eat a bowl of this, will you be full? Because usually I'm not full when I eat cereal, but let's try it. Tastes just like cinnamon. It's really good. I actually like this a lot. This particular one, I actually liked it better dry than with the milk. You don't taste the cinnamon anymore when it's mixed in with the milk. If I didn't know this was made out of beans, I would have thought it was just your typical cinnamon cereal. I mean, this tastes pretty much just like regular cereal. You could give this to somebody and not tell them, and they won't taste the difference. So they also have to-go cups. I'm assuming these are geared towards kids because this flavor is blueberry vanilla Polar Puffs. But what's surprising about this flavor compared to the other ones I just tried is that this one doesn't have a lot of fiber in it. So I don't know if it's just they're gearing towards kids. They're trying to make it a little bit more sugary compared to the other ones. The other ones had a lot more fiber than this one. I believe it's the blueberries. Yeah, it's the blueberries I'm smelling. Oh, it uses dried blueberries in the actual, well, there's no pieces of dried blueberries, but it smells like blueberries. So they use real ones. It's not like a essence of blueberry. So this one I'm assuming is the vanilla one. Has a slight fruity taste. I think it's the crumbs of the blueberry that got on it, but that tastes like blueberries a lot. Like, it doesn't taste artificial at all. It tastes like a real dried blueberry. Let's try it with some milk. I taste more of the blueberries than vanilla, if anything. But I mean, it's really good. It's fruity. I think kids will like it too, because I mean, it tastes just like blueberries unless your kid doesn't like blueberries. Let's see. So this is like a chocolate Rice Krispie cereal. Let's see. This really has no taste. Like, I don't even taste the chocolate in it. Yeah, compared to the actual chocolate Power O's, doesn't even taste like chocolate. I don't even know what it tastes like, but it's definitely not chocolate. I'm not a fan of this one. At least the Power O's, I could smell the chocolate and taste it. This is, I don't know what, maybe essence of chocolate. I'll try it with the milk, but I don't think it's gonna make it any better. So I taste the chocolate with the milk, but on its own, it doesn't taste like chocolate. I mean, it's not the greatest. It's lacking in flavor all around. Yeah, this is not really good. I prefer the chocolate Power O's over this one, so yeah, that's not gonna do it for me. My favorite out of all of these was definitely the chocolate Power O's. I would recommend that one out of all of them. And a good close second were the cinnamon Power O's. The rest, I would say, don't even bother. So with these cereals, at least you could get your daily fiber in your breakfast, as well as protein, and without all of that processed sugar. Let me know in the comments below, which one of these cereals would you try? And what's your favorite type of cereal to eat? So click on the like button if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel because there's gonna be more episodes of binging coming up. And hit the bell to get notified of when those episodes are up. Also, if there are any other vegan food items I should try in a future episode of binging, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Who knew that chocolate flavored bean cereal would actually taste so good? And if you want to see me binge on something else, go ahead and click on the video right here, and also hit this button right here to subscribe to see what I'm gonna binge on next week. And I'm gonna eat some more bean cereal. Bean cereal.